Where do I start? Welcome. I have had quite a journey. Nothing about my life has ever been normal. Nothing has ever fit into a box. From the very time that I was small, I was always different. Hey, I'm Siren, and this is my YouTube channel where I'm going to talk to you about being an artist, an off-grid queer, and has become quite a introverted soul over the past 5 years, 6 years. 6 years. I've been wanting to share my life experience and my day-to-day life on YouTube for a while. I have been a bit intimidated. I have a very interesting life compared to your average human, but for some reason it still felt like it wasn't interesting enough. But that's not the case, and here I am. Just because it feels normal to me at this point, 35 years old, doesn't mean that it is going to feel that way to somebody else. So, where do I start? I live on a farm in the mountains, in the shuttle bus that I have been completely restoring for the better half of the almost last year. My life fell apart several years back, and I lost everything. My home, my job, well, my career, better half of all the people in my life, and that's another story for another time. But needless to say, I ended up in a bus. This was my first bus. I had a different bus before with a partner, and then I ended up homeless again, and my beautiful friend, lucky enough for me, helped me buy this bus so that I would no longer be homeless. And I moved into it in the middle of the winter. It was a very dark time for me. It's very lonely and scary, and so I was not really focused on much other than being grateful for having a home now and a place to be, and just putting my life back together, really. But by the time the summer rolled around, I had moved to a new spot, another piece of land on somebody's property, and I discovered one day mushrooms growing out of the carpet in the back of my bus. And I said in that moment, okay, let's see what mess we have to deal with here. So I started tearing up the floors, and I discovered that pretty much the whole bus was rotted out. I love power tools. I'm an artist. I work with many mediums. I love making things with my hands. It's literally the reason I live. You'll find that out the more I share about myself. But I had never built a wall. I had never renovated anything. I had never hung a door. I had never done any of it. I had never put in a subfloor, tore one out, and it has been one of the coolest, most rewarding experiences ever. Honestly, it's been very frustrating. It's taken over my entire life, if I'm being completely honest. But it is so cool. I have done so much. I wish I would have gotten more recordings from the very beginning, but I love the way that I live. It's a life that I write for myself, and that's the most important part to me. Share my experience of being a street musician, a performance artist, a tattoo artist, jewelry maker, and my experience of rebuilding my life after it all completely fell apart. Right? I don't really know where I want to go with this channel. I think I just want to share my experience of living outside of society's norms, being a nomad, and how that shaped me as a person and my life, and the things I've learned, trials, tribulations, fails, wins, dreams, hopes, travels. I completely isolated. I went into hiding. And this was a completely new experience for me. I've always been different. I've always been an outsider. I've always been a bit strange. I was never meant to fit into society. That's besides the point. But I'd never lived alone. I had never really been alone or gave myself time to be alone or find out really who I was in a lot of ways. And it was terrifying and very traumatic and very hard, but I'd always wanted to live in a bus, and I had always wanted to. I traveled a lot in my life. I'd backpacked a couple countries and always had this undying desire, hunger to experience life completely and fully. So as scared and lost as I was, and completely without a plan, there I was. All I know is that I want to be here sharing my wild and unconventional way of life with you, and we'll see what happens. Until next time, be well.